practical string functions in SQL. Whether you are working on employee data, user profile, or cleansing raw strings, so the string functions like upper, lower, substring, and char index are your best friends. So we will walk through three real-world demos using our custom table called EMP string. Demo 1, we will capitalize the first letter of the full name. In demo 2, we will extract the domain name from an employee. And in demo 3, we will learn how to mask an email address for privacy purpose. So let's get started. Let's say we have a name in all lowercase like this. So our goal is to convert this into this. So here the SQL query to achieve that using upper, lower, left and substring. So here I am writing the query of it. The query works in two steps. First is used left full name 1. Takes the first letter, then upper capitalized it, and the next substring pulls the rest of the name starting from position 2. We will apply lower to make the rest of the string in lowercase. This way, Sita Kulkarni becomes Sita Kulkarni, means S is capital. Ramesh Pawar becomes R capital and rest of things in lowercase. You can extend this logic further to apply proper case to the first and last name separately if needed. Now, in demo second, extracting domain name from email. Now let's move to our second use case, extracting the domain name from an employee ID. For example, from this we want to extract only example.com. Here's the SQL query. So let's break it down. Char index at email finds the position of the @ symbol. Length email gives the total length of the email. So the length email minus char index at email gives the length of the domain parts. Then write extract that many character from the right side. So the result of this email address so the result of this email addresses becomes example.com. This is useful in reporting, filtering and understanding where your user come from. So in demo 3, mask email addresses for privacy purpose. Now let's go to our third demo, a very useful and professional trick to masking email addresses for privacy. Let's say we want to hide the part of the email before the @ symbol, like this. So we are hiding with a star. Here's the SQL query using a replicate and using the substring char index. Here's how this works. So char index at email finds where the @ start. We subtract 1 from that to get the length of the part before the @. So replicate creates that many asterisks, many values. Then substring gives us the rest of the email starting from @. Finally, we concat both parts. This way, it will becomes this. So this technique is used to web apps, admin dashboards, and reports where you need to keep user identities confidential. So that was a practical guide to SQL string functions with real life examples. So we can capitalize the names, extract email domains, masking emails for privacy purpose. Try this out. Try this out your own data or copy the queries from the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more such SQL tutorials, please try this out on your own data or copy the queries from description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such SQL and data tutorials. Also check out our videos on SQL date functions, aggregate functions. Link is in the description box. So thanks for watching and keep learning with SQL.